Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Loopring price prediction and Loopring news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Loopring in 2022. Loopring is an Ethereum token. It is described by its creators as an open source, non-custodial auditable exchange protocol. With it, any user will be able to create non-custodial order book exchanges based on Ethereum using zero-knowledge proofs. In 2020, the average daily trading volume across the entire cryptocurrency market fluctuated roughly in the $50-200 million range. Most of this trading takes place on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. These are online platforms operated by private companies that store user funds and facilitate the matching of buy and sell orders. The intended goal of Loopring is to combine centralized order matching with decentralized order settlement on the blockchain into a hybrid product that takes the best from both centralized and decentralized exchanges. The founder and current CEO of the Loopring Foundation, which manages the development of the Loopring protocol, is Daniel Wang, a software engineer and entrepreneur based in Shanghai. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Loopring. Sick of high Ethereum gas fees? Do this instead. Ethereum gas fees are once again approaching record highs, putting a strain on everybody's wallets. With an average Ethereum gas fee now sitting at more than $46 for 20 transfers, Ethereum transactions are now more than 20x higher than most other popular blockchains. As Ethereum becomes increasingly expensive to use, it is now essentially unusable for low-value transactions in the majority of cases. Fortunately, there are a number of ways to cut transaction fees down to a bare minimum, helping you get more out of your transfers. Here's what you need to know. How to reduce ETH gas fees. Time your transactions. Though it is true that Ethereum transaction fees are generally high all the time, the average cost of a transaction can vary considerably throughout the day or week. Because of this, if your transaction isn't urgent, you will likely find that you can potentially cut your costs by more than 50% if you send in your transaction when there is less demand on the network. Ethereum Price provides a useful tool to help you work out when the gas price is at its lowest. As you can see, the gas price tends to be a lot lower after midnight on the weekend and is generally at its lowest at around midday every day. Consider holding off on your transaction until the gas price is relatively low, but bear in mind that there are often times of major congestion, where even 100 GWh is a fair price for gas. Use a Layer 2 solution. Ethereum's high gas prices have been a regularly recurring problem since 2017. This has spawned a wide array of Layer 2 solutions, which aim to offload some of its transaction volume to a separate network, before finalizing the results of these transactions on the Ethereum main chain. These can vary considerably in their form and function, but many of the more popular solutions have been sufficiently battle-tested, and can result in significant gas cost savings for users. Polygon, Arbitrum and Optimism are currently the most popular universal Layer 2 solutions for Ethereum. As per data from L2 fees, these can offer a potentially 90% reduction in fees when transferring tokens, or slightly less of a reduction when transferring ETH. Many of the most popular DeFi protocols and dApps have deployed on one or more Layer 2s, so we recommend checking to see if your favorite app is supported. Using other Lrc blockchains. One of the best performing sectors of 2021 was so-called Ethereum killers, or competing Layer 1 blockchains that promises ultra-low transaction fees and fast throughput compared to Ethereum. The most popular blockchains, termed Solunavax, has exploded in popularity and market cap. It grew from a combined market cap of around $681 million at the start of 2021 to $94.5 billion now, a staggering 138x increase in over a year. Average transactions on Solana cost around $0.00025, while transferring on Avalanche costs even lesser, around $0.00004 according to Avax Gas Tracker. Loopring price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Since 2022 is just getting started, this is the perfect moment for some predictions. Any altcoin should be valued in the context of the overall market climate and performance of Bitcoin. Loopring price prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Loopring will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach $1.20 in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $1.02, with a maximum price of $1.20 for 2022. Lrc Price Prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price outlook for the Lrc will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will get a lot more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $1.47 and a minimum bid of $1.43. The maximum bid is expected to be around $1.69. Lrc Price Prediction 2024. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Loopring will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2024, Lrc is expected to peak at $2.50. The minimum bet could go up to $2.10 if the market turns bullish. Lrc Price Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Loopring price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Lrc price will rise to around $3.14 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $3.67 with a minimum price level $3.05. Loopring Price Prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Loopring, Lrc, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $4.64. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted Loopring's maximum price could be up to $5.33 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Lrc Rate Prediction 2027. The value of Loopring will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. Lrc is expected to reach a maximum rate of $8.12 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Loopring's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Lrc will be between $6.52 and $6.75 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum Lrc price ranges from $6.52 to $8.12 for 2027. Loopring Price Prediction 2028. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Loopring could cross $11.32 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2028. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2028 will be around $10. Loopring Rate Forecast 2029. Loopring's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore the Lrc could be as high as $16.79 by 2029, with significant cooperation from financial institutions if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $14.53 for 2029, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2029. Lrc Rate Prediction 2030. Lrc will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Loopring rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2030, the Loopring rate will be almost $21.22. The maximum bet we can get is $24.85. Loopring average price prediction for the end of 2030 could be around $21.95. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market.